Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you how to install SharePoint on Windows 7 Home Premium. There are some really cool sites from where you can get help. For example, this is a blogs.msdn.com site where a detailed information is given how to install SharePoint and prerequisites are links are also given from where you can download the prerequisites. Another cool site for getting help for SharePoint is msdn.microsoft.com, of course. Here you will get a detailed information as well. After installing SharePoint 2010 on your PC, you have to enable some options in IIS Manager. For example, the SharePoint 2010 server will be enabled if you will not enable the IIS options from the IIS Manager. For example, when you will install SharePoint on your PC, these three options and these three sites will be built. Now click on this one. Now you will click on the authentication and enable this from here. As I have already enabled this one, so I will leave from here. Enable all the three authentication from here. Now close this one. Now open your site. Give your system username and password. Okay, now I will tell you from here how to create a site collection and make a workflow. Today I will gonna create a workflow in which you can create a workflow of consisting of approval. For example, a team is deployed in your company or in your departments, having different roles as well. If one team uploads some document, then it is another team responsibility to approve this one. So we will create a site collection from here. Click the create site collection. Now you can give any title and description from here. I will click document workspace. The default administrator for this system is Vakar. You can also create username as well, and we will click OK, and our new site will be created. It may take some time, so you will have to be patient. Now we'll click OK. So a new site is created. Now to view all your site collections, you will create a view all site collection. Now click this one, copy the URL, give your username and password. You will give your username and password of the administrator at the time of the user, which at the time of creation of the site collection you gave the user name, and it should also be registered in your system as well. So now I will create a workflow here. For example, I will click libraries, initiate document, or you can simply click on libraries and create a workflow. On click add a workflow. Here you could create a workflow, but I think I am missing something. Yes, we will click on workflow settings. Now here I will click add a workflow. From here you can create different types of workflow, but I will create here an approval workflow. I will create here a unique name, approval of document. It's a new task. Here you can create check or uncheck this. It will automatically start when the new document will be added, and you can manually also start the workflow. I will click here that whenever a new document will be added, and the workflow will be automatically started. Okay, here you can give the username who is authentic to check the document. For example, if the any user adds a document, here you will define the username who will be responsible for approving or rejecting the document. Here you can give any username, and you can also create different groups or different users and give different roles to them. But as I have only one user on this SharePoint server, so I will give the administrator username here, as this is not a good way to give username of the administrator and the same administrator is using this account to upload the document. But for your understanding, I will here use the same username for uploading the document and approving or rejecting the document. But you can create different usernames and give different user roles to them, and then you can just use this workflow as for better understanding. Here you can give the message, you will give here dates, but I will not give any date here. Okay, my new workflow is created. Now I will add a new document here. Okay, I have uploaded this document. Okay, now if I check this drop down box, here you can see the workflow settings. If I click this workflow, then you can see that our workflow is listed here. There could be several workflows. If you have created that one, then they will be listed here. Now I will click this one, approval of document, and it is in progress. You can see that it is in progress. As I checked the box when I was creating the document, when I was creating the workflow, I have checked that option in which it was listed that whenever a document is added, the workflow will automatically be started. And I will click this workflow, then you can see that all the options and details will be listed here, that whom it was assigned to, what was the title, what is the due date, what is the status, and what is the content. I will click this one. Now here you can approve or reject the document. You can give approval, you can reject, you can change or reassign the task as well. But I will here approve the document, and you will see that status will be updated there. Now you can see that the outcome of that document, the status of that document is changed to approved. Now if I go to home and see the libraries, now you will see that a new column has been added here, and it is changed to approved. If you will create new workflows, then all will be listed, a new column will be added here, and the status of that workflow will be listed here. So hope you will get a better understanding of this. If you have any questions, you can contact me as well. Thank you.